Hi everyone, this is Karen Charles, and I'm talking to you from my sewing room. You notice you don't see much of it at the moment. That's because this is the only corner of the room that's tidy enough to show you. But little by little, I hope to give you a little bit more of a view of my sewing room. Did you know that the Brilliance 80, Designer Epic, and Designer Epic 2 have projects built right into the machine? These projects are some that I've made from those instructions, although if you know me, you know that I've probably modified them in some way, and I definitely have. This is a tablet holder, which I have used vinyl and created a quilt design that goes along it. And then this purse, I made a little smaller. It's made out of real leather, and the cutwork needles cut right through the leather. And then this is one of my favorite little projects. It's a phone holder, but what's special about it is that when you open it up, there's a little ribbon to pull the phone out. Sometimes they get in there so tight, it's hard to be able to get them out. To find the sewing instructions, after you've turned your machine on, look for the Knowledge Center. And you will see below under Knowledge Center, there's a stabilizer guide, which gives you a lot of information on how to use our different stabilizers. A quick start guide for how to put your bobbin in and wind a bobbin, how to use the automatic needle threader, threading for a twin needle. All the instructions are there with videos to show you how to do it. We have a step-by-step workbook for different techniques. And then we have sewing projects. Right now, bags is selected, so you're seeing the option for sewing the cutwork needle bag. And when I touch and load, it gives me the instructions on the materials that I need, the cutting instructions for each piece, and then preparing my hoop for embroidery. It even tells me what stabilizer to use. To go back to the main screen, I can touch the JoyOS Advisor at the top. And this time I'm going to select Fashion Accessories. And there is the information on how to make the tablet envelope for your tablet, an iPhone case or an Android case. And when I touch, I will be able to see all the instructions on how to do it and the cutting instructions. And up above, it shows me the designs that they used when they made their project, but I did mine a little different. And so if you want to use the one that I made with the vinyl and get the instructions on how to do that, make sure to look at our website, husqvarnaviking.com, and you'll find the instructions there. To come back to my main screen, I also wanted to point out that up at the top where it says My Sewnet Blog, these are projects that get loaded almost every week. There's a new project to show you how to use the features in your machine, and a lot of creative stitches and embroidery designs that you just have to touch to load. I noticed this one was a new one this morning, and when I touch and hold, it is a clean house is a sign of a broken sewing machine. And another one is, and if I open it up to save it, then I can touch save, and now I have it on my machine. This little sign here says, my house was clean yesterday, sorry you missed it. I'd like to say that was true, but hopefully in the days that I have at home, you'll be able to see a little bit more of my sewing room. So thank you for joining me today for a little while, and I'll see you again the next time.